The government of the Republic of Zambia, through the Ministry of Health, has enjoyed a long-standing relationship with Japan International Cooperation Agency. JICA has been supporting Ministry of Health in infrastructure development, provision of hospital equipment, and the provision of personal protective equipment to hospitals for COVID-19 control. JICA has also placed an expert for infectious disease control at Zambia National Public Health Institute for technical support.
So first and foremost, the government of the Republic of Zambia through the Ministry of Health has enjoyed a long-standing relationship with JICA. I think we have worked very well in the health sector. And in the recent past, we've even seen a massive infrastructure development that has come through the support via JICA. So we've seen a lot of good collaborations and health development programs that we've enjoyed with the JICA. So under the infectious disease prevention activity for vulnerable children in Lusaka through a hand washing dance song. I think this project started in last year, October, and we've seen support coming in Chawama and Chazanga compounds.
PPAP. I have a handle, I have a soap. Wash, 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 wash.
This project aims at sensitizing children on hand washing through PPAP dance song from a famous Japanese comedian, Pikotaro, that guides on how to wash hands correctly with soap through a dance song.
Wash, 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 wash. Clean hand, clean hand.
So this is very simple words, simple English, and the proper way of washing hands, which was eventually acknowledged by WHO.
Pikotaro's first version of PPAP was released in 2016. The letters PPAP standing for pen, pineapple, apple, pen. The song originated as a music video released on YouTube and was viewed more than 345 million times. In response to COVID-19 pandemic, Pikotaro uploaded a remix of the song titled PPAP2020. This time around, the letters PPAP standing for Pray for People and Peace.
We've collaborated very well with JICA, and through ZNPHI, we've supported, we've partnered with JICA and supported in the development of the lecture sessions that have been taking place for the children. We've also guided on how the project can go on and facilitate the various support that it's giving to our children in these two compounds. So in a nutshell, I think the collaboration and the support that we have received in the ministry via JICA, I think, has been tremendous.
This project is actually aiming at awareness activities in the community, especially for infectious disease control. So we have closely working with the organization, local community organization, which has a vast knowledge and experience working with the community. As such, we'd like to avoid any contraction from the infectious diseases.
BISO is working closely with community leaders such as ward development committees, health authorities, and local leadership in both Chazanga and Chawama compounds.
Working with JICA in this project has really helped us in most of the work. As a community-based organization, This has made us able to sensitize people, a lot of people, over COVID-19 pandemic in the country. The distribution of hand washing, hand washing kits, face masks has done quite a lot to the children, especially because this has made the children be able to wash their hands at any time. And the masks, they're washable, whereby it's less expensive. They can wash them one time and then you reuse them again. So the project with this, it has really helped a lot in the community.
This project, it has helped a lot of ongoing children to school. Sometimes back before this program, a lot of children used to be chased from school without a face mask. But from the time this program came in, we are able to provide the face masks to them, which are washable. As a result, we are even helping those children not to be chased in school.
We chose compound area, especially Chawama and Chazanga, because in 2017 and 2018, we had the experience of serious waterborne disease, namely cholera. That's why we have to do something to prevent any waterborne disease in the compounds. So Chazanga and Chawama, actually there is no other international donors to support those compounds. That's one of the reasons why we selected this area.
The experience working with JICA, especially on this particular project, has been very, very exciting and overwhelming at the same time. It has come at a time when, there's a lot of work that has to be done, especially with regards to sensitizing the children on COVID-19. So it has been great. I've been to places that I've never been in terms of these communities, you see. Timamvera Chabo, we just get to hear that there are these places. But because of this project that was, funded by JICA, I find myself going down in the communities, interacting with different people and sensitizing children on the dangers of COVID-19 and just helping them, to prevent it, because at the end of the day, we just need to do the best that we can as individuals to protect ourselves from, getting infected and affected by this disease. So the experience has been really, really overwhelming and great, and I've had a nice time.
I have a hand and I have soap. Wash, 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 wash. The response is overwhelming. It's great. I didn't even expect this. There are times where we get too overwhelmed with the numbers of children coming in. It's been great. Children are eager to learn. And what's even exciting is the fact that they easily grasp what we are telling them. So it's for sure that whatever we are telling them will get to the communities, to their homes, and we'll be changing lives here and there. The response is good. It's amazing.
As you may know, most of the area, even including Japan, children really love to sing songs, always dance. So if the children sing this wash hands using soap, maybe their family will also understand how to do it. So that's why their parents also learn how to clean their hands. So that's the main reason why we encourage the families or parents to encourage the children to wash hands.
Kusamba kumanja ukatoka toilet olo ngatu osagwirana ngati funasambe kumanja. I have a hand, I have a soap, and wash. Wash, 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 wash.
The response is very high. If I can rate it into a percentage from 10 to 0, I can say it's up to 9. When we started this program, we had estimated the number of sessions was supposed to be 80. But looking at the results that came out after the implementation of the program, we have increased to 160. That simply means that the response is very positive.
We are encouraging the kids kuti basamba kumanja na sopo. So basically there's a song that we use that is, children friendly. So niamene cheje mwauza che no, I have a hand, I have a soap mouth. So matenga sopo, matenga na kwanjekani, you put them together, rub yourself with soap, make sure that each and every part ya kwanjayanu, it is washed with soap. And when you do all those things, it's more fun and more encouraging. And that's basically what we do. When we do that muja, when we bring the kids up, demonstrate you will see that it is very easy for them because you have been to vamene bahona.
As you know, as a country, that is our key primary method of prevention towards COVID-19. That is hand washing, sanitizing, hand sanitizing, and also wearing of face masks. So this actually is really helping us in ensuring that we prevent the transmission of COVID-19 in the children.
The message to parents is very good because when we have sessions in the communities and we only concentrate on children, the children when they go back, they tell the parents on how they've been taught on washing hands. So we've seen parents also encouraging children that they should wash their hands regularly most of the time. A lot of them are coming along thanking JICA for what they've done in the community, that children should wash their hands, and they're doing it.
Coronavirus ni disease. Nkwenda kunsako wafana wako kunyumba na mami wako na wakuru wako. Mosambira kumanja. Kuwapunzisa number 1 kusamba kumanja watenga soap. Wasamba. Number 2 wambosamba. Number 3 wambosamba umanja. Ero number 4 wambosamba umukati mumangena tudoyo. Number 5 wambositaso tukumo mwene mumankalira doti. Number 6 wambosamba umanja.
Furthermore, the donation and distribution of hand washing facilities per se is also not just helping us in preventing COVID-19, but it is also helping us to prevent other diarrheal diseases such as cholera, typhoid, which usually affect our children more in this compound. So this gesture and the project actually is contributing positively to the welfare of the children in Chazanga and Chawama compounds.
I hope through this project, with the song and the dance of PPAP, I hope everybody in Lusaka or in Zambia learn how to wash their hands properly. Then we hope we beat COVID-19, and then we have a happy life again. Thank you very much.